Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is International Day Against Nuclear Test. The International Day Against Nuclear Test is observed on August 29th. The day aims to raise awareness about the effects of nuclear weapon test explosions or any other nuclear explosions. On 2nd December 2009, the 64th session of the United Nations General Assembly declared 29th August the International Day Against Nuclear Test by unanimously adopting resolution. The resolution calls for increasing awareness and education about the effects of nuclear weapon test explosions or any other nuclear explosions and the need for their cessation as one of the means of achieving the goal of a nuclear weapon-free world. The resolution was initiated by the Republic of Kazakhstan with a view to commemorating the closure of the Semipalatinsk nuclear test site on 29 August 1991. 2010 marked the inaugural commemoration of the International Day Against Nuclear Test. In each subsequent year, the day has been observed by coordinating various activities throughout the world such as symposia, conferences, exhibits, competitions, publications, lectures, media broadcasts, and other initiatives. Since its establishment, many bilateral and multilateral governmental level developments as well as broad movements in civil society have helped to advance the cause of banning nuclear tests.